Hello! Today we are working on the beds. Say hi!
Hello! So we're using really old nails, and most of them so far went in really well, but this one keeps bending on me and it's halfway into the board.
So all of the materials we're using are recycled, so they've been used before to make a roof and they have been taken down, and now we are making the beds out of them for her garden. We've been working on this all morning. We had to go through all of the wood that we've showed you guys. All the wood we had to sort through, take measurements, make sure everything was going to fit together good. We cut it down with the saw to make sure everything was equal in size and length. And now we're assembling. So hopefully this should be the easy part, but I'm sure we'll run into a few hiccups. But we could definitely use some Julie and Brian help. If you guys want to get out here, that would be great.
Nice. Showing her how to use power tools.
That's not going anywhere.
Alright, stopping at this point today. Took us a long time to get all the wood selected we need, because it is recycled wood and recycled nails. Took longer, but
We're getting the hang of it.
we got corner braces, and then corner down here that's actually buried in the dirt. So now our job is finished for the day. Gonna eat lunch, do a workout, or maybe run to town and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. It is blistering hot.
Drink some vino.
Of course, every day.
Maybe. Not every day.
Cada dia.
We're not drinking every day. Good morning. Another day on the Workaway. So today we are finishing the raised beds. Say hi.
Hello.
All right, we finished our first bed.
Yay.
Yay, now on to the next. No, it looks pretty good. We're pretty happy with it. So another one's gonna go right here.
Alright, we got 2 raised beds down. We still have to take a sawzall, cut that off, and we're fixing that one down there. Someone, I won't say who,
That's for us?
it was me, did not plan something correctly, and now we just fixed it, so. That one's all done. It's not the prettiest things we've ever built, but it's for...
I've never built shit. I mean, I haven't built anything. Your dad's gonna watch this. You know that? I'm done then.
No, what? Do it.
No, that's okay. I don't need Brian Ross on my case, so.
She's afraid what my dad will say.
Yeah, I am. With good reason. He's a master carpenter. thank you. All good. Look how beautiful it is, Brian. I didn't do any of it. It's all Christopher. He's so good.
We're using recycled everything.
Baby. Stop. Oh, hey. Didn't see you there. Well, since you're here, today we're working on bed number 3. So we currently have already cut all our pieces. We've measured everything. We're just assembling now. We're getting good at this. So also Chris is going to be using the Sawzall to level out some of these extra bits here. You can see the difference.
Battery's dead.
Well, he was going to do that. But anyway, that's our day today. Hopefully we'll get a 3rd one done, maybe start a 4th one. So we'll keep you in the loop. My job right now is to take all of these very crappy bent up rusted nails and straighten them out. So Chris Googles at me. I'm working hard straightening out old breaking rusted nails. Hi! I was helping earlier. I haven't been doing nails all day, just for the record.
She's been doing nails for about 3.5 hours now.
Not true.
No, I'm just kidding. All right, update. We got 3 good-looking raised beds. We ran out of the really long pieces of wood on this last one, so it's a little bit shorter, but not much. So now we're gonna build another one here, here, and I don't know, wherever she wants more raised beds. Yeah, coming together. After we build them, we're going to just fill them with compost. That's why all these cardboard boxes are right there. We're gonna line the bottom with those. A lot better than plastic, but it'll help keep weeds and roots and everything from coming up. And then we're going to put manure down, and then in the spring she'll be ready to go. But
in case you're wondering, I did eat my Wheaties today. I'm a champion.
Grace always full of energy. Probably just from nailing all day, not doing anything else.
Hey, I helped tremendously. I don't want to hear that. That's not nice. I helped so much.
I'm just playing. We're gonna cut this out. So she's a champion.
I know.
So anyway, I'm just been rambling now. Got an hour left to work, and then we're gonna go for a run. Nice 3-4 mile run, and then probably walk into the city, which takes about 3 miles. So about 9 mile day after working outside. It's kind of our daily routine.
Yeah, we get wine, and then we walk far enough to justify getting wine. All right, so we officially finished the 3rd bed, and we talked to her, and she does want a 4th. So we went ahead and measured and cut all of this here. This is another bed in the making, so tomorrow morning we'll be making another one, and then staining them so they'll look beautiful. So we are done for the day, so we'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning.
Good morning.
From our last day here at the farm / compound / Janet's house.
Slash
Workaway. Yeah, our first Workaway together.
Went really well.
Yeah, it went really well. Had a great time with Janet.
Yeah.
And now we are heading to Lisbon tomorrow. So last work day, gotta get some laundry done, clean up, pack, and yeah, just want to show off a couple of the projects we've done the last few days.
We've shown you guys a bunch of them, but there are a few that we kind of quickly put together.
Yeah. So these are set up for, we're gonna put these guys kiwis,
Grapevines.
some grapevines, some different plants she's had started. Oh, they're the kiwis actually. But
Those are also kiwis.
oh, okay. Kiwis over there as well, but we drilled holes through here. We're gonna put wire through there, and so that the plants can run all along. So this is just gonna be an open.
It's for vines, whether it's green beans or grapes. It's just gonna help create like some sort of structure for them. So that's one.
So we did that. Ricardo has been here, but this used to be used for winemaking back in the day. Now it's busted open. And gotta put shelves in there.
We did these raised beds, which we've been showing you guys off and on throughout the process, but they're now done. We have 4 total. We laid cardboard down in each one of them. Actually 2 layers of cardboard. And then I did stain this one, but she ran out of stain. So the rest of them are just gonna have to be done by another hand. We showed you guys pretty much the process of undercovering the concrete. So that took us almost like 2 days, and then it was a week.
Like 3 or 4 days almost with getting all the
Yeah.
rock out.
The whole first week was just getting all the rock out of the soil so that we could do all of this. So,
Yeah, so even though we're not gonna see everything come to fruition, for all of our rock clearing time we spent there, but all this is going to be the raised beds or planted in the spring. So Portugal is very rocky, very arid, at least in the part we are in. So this will take a lot more man hours just to get all the rocks out of there. But we gave her a pretty big head start, and that's what she wanted. She wanted us to spend 4 or 5 days just picking up rocks.
Yeah, it doesn't look like we've done a lot, but this place really does feel like it's transformed in 2 weeks. Maybe that's just because we took out all of the weeds and all the rocks and actually created a yard, and then, you know, gave her some place to put some plants. But
and we haven't even showed, but I mean, there's also 3 different rooms over there. She uses one for a work shed, one for a tool shed, and one to store a bunch of wood, and we've cleaned all 3 out. So
yeah,
it looks good.
It does. It looks like she's got a vision.
Yeah.
So
getting organized, getting ready for the spring, and getting ready for her next Workaway, or whenever that is. So. All right, that's pretty much it. We're gonna continue working. We got a few hours left of today, and then we kind of get to relax. So,
woo!
See you there. Gosh, something about Portugal. Every single house has a guard dog.
Hi.
Alright, officially have left our Workaway and on our way to Lisbon to head to the hostel. Except this morning on our run, I fell and broke my phone. So, gotta go get my screen fixed, and
He ate it and had to do a tuck and roll. He's okay. Physically, he's fine.
emotionally damaged. But we're on our way. Gonna go get my screen fixed, check into the hostel, and go explore Lisbon a little bit. Except now, she's in charge of directions.
It's gonna be great.
It's scary.
Turn it on. How sad they look.